Today we are bringing you 2 new ways to play Chutes and Ladders.
Shoot.
So the first way that we're going to play is we're going to play a jungle version, crazy version of Chutes and Ladders. So, and ours happens to be a Snakes and Ladders version instead, but we're going to each roll 5, I'll roll 4, you roll 5 dice. Okay. We're gonna roll them randomly onto the board. The way that it works, you land on one that has a blue number, you have to go back that number of spaces. So in this case, you're gonna go back blue 6. If you get an orange, you get to move up the board that space. So if this one's a 2, this person gets to jump 2 rows up, and red moves forward a space. So this one is a red 1. They'll move forward 1 space on the board. So that's twist number 1 in the jungle version. The other twist is, usually when you land on an end of a snake or the top of a ladder, you think, bummer, I wish I would have landed on the other side. So in this case, if you get the end of the chute or the snake, whichever one you're playing, you actually get to go to the front of it and not have to roll back. And if you land on the top of a ladder, again, you always wish you're at the bottom to jump up. So if you land on the top, you get to move forward 2 spaces. Cameron's gonna go first. 6. If you don't have colored dice, by the way, you can just write them on little slips of paper and have it on there. 1. I'm going really far, really fast. So Cameron got the magic number, and we're gonna take it off because he got that. So yay! Cameron already jumped up 2 spaces, 2 rows. That's awesome.
35 to 5.
3. 1, 2. Back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But
you could move up.
I get to move up. 1.
I'm gonna land on that 4.
I got the ladder. Oh, he's 1 away from the jump up again.
I need to get that so I can get it.
1. Oh, back down.
Oh.
So he landed at the top of a ladder, so he gets 2 bonus spaces off of that. He is so close. 2, 1, 2. Oh, I get to go up the snake. Oh, that was a big one. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it's gonna be so close.
6, 1, 2, 3.
Look at I don't think I've ever played a game of Chutes and Ladders this close. 4.
Let's see if I can make it. 4.
Oh, look at how close that was. And he pulled slightly ahead, so we'll call you the winner. Nice job. All right, on to version 2. Round 2 is a speed round version of Chutes and Ladders, and it's math-based. So on the first row, you'll roll the dice like normal to move your spaces, but once you get to double digits, starting with 10, you're going to add the 2 numbers on your square, and that's how many you move forward. So if you land on 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, you move 1 space. If you land on 29, you get to move 11 spaces. So this will be a speed round to be able to move forward. So Cameron's gonna start with the rolling. Ooh,
4.
Start strong with a 4. 1. 1.
6.
6. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So now he'll start. He'll start with math next round. 1 still.
Okay.
All right.
I move forward 5 spaces. 1,
14.
2,
1 plus 4 is 5.
4, 5.
1.
19, so I move forward 10 spaces. 1, 2, 40, so I move forward 4.
I'm on 13, so I also move forward 4. Ah, ladder.
Oh boy.
73, so 83. Oh, snake.
Yeah! 14.
Whoa. That was a big jump. 57, so I get 12.
Ooh.
84.
12.
So I get to move forward 12 up to 96. Next round I'm gonna win! Because there are no snakes in between, and that's definitely gonna be enough to get me to 100. But you can still take your next one.
4. Yay!
Nice, all right. 9 plus 6 is 15, which is way more than 100. So that is our 2 new ways to play Chutes and Ladders. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye!